guys, I know I haven't posted a video in a very long time, longer than I haven't done like when I went to USA. But I lost my phone and I lost the charger, so I cannot find it. But I found it right now, so I'm just gonna eat this. Like, do you know this, like that, this thing? I'm gonna eat one of this. You're gonna see me eat it. Spooky. Why am I looking at my face in like the video? I should look at like a circle thingy. Spooky. Okay, so you guys know how to open these. Okay. Did you? What? Dude, you might not believe this, but look what happened. Yo. They just turned into gel. It's jelly. Does it taste good? If it tastes good, I'm aged. This tastes delicious. You don't want to rinse out. It's delicious. Like, guarantee you should do this. I'll tell you the ingredients. There's no ingredients. Just leave it in the fridge for like a long time. It expires for like a year, so you can be. I left it for 4 months. Then it turned to jelly. Because I didn't even know it turned into jelly. I just knew that it would do something like it would like dry up or something. But that's all I have today. Peace.